and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Dr. Kriti Chawla. Thank you so much for being here. I'm so sorry that I didn't post last week. I have my reasons.
So I was editing this week's YouTube video and look.
So I'm not sitting here and saying that
This is so painful.
इतना दुख हुआ ना मुझे जब मैं ये वीडियो एडिट कर रही थी. I was like, stop talking and check the mic. I was talking for 30 minutes straight and I didn't even realize that my mic's battery was out. So anyway, here is a reminder to grab a glass of water or beverage of your choice. Today I'm having water with some electrolytes. It is very hot in Delhi, and in summers I recommend having at least 1 to 2 electrolyte drinks because water is not enough to keep you hydrated. When you sweat, you lose a lot of water, but you also lose a lot of essential minerals which you need to put back in your body. So I'm going to have a sip of this and we're going to get started. So in today's episode, I'm going to talk about how to find balance with food. How to find balance with healthy food, quote unquote healthy food, and quote unquote junk food. Now, I don't know about you, but I have personally struggled with finding balance in this aspect of nutrition. I used to go from completely cutting out processed foods, so no chips, no Maggie, no chocolates, no burgers, no pizzas, no fries, nothing. I used to cut these foods, no cookies. I used to cut these foods completely. And then I used to go to the other extreme where I used to binge on these very foods. Now, why this happens is that when you completely cut certain foods, you feel a psychological deprivation, especially when you have been eating these foods for a very long time. Imagine this: you are eating a packet of chips every day for 10 days, and then suddenly you decide, from tomorrow, I will not eat these foods. On day 11, it's going to be very difficult for you because it has become a small habit. The same happens the next day, on day 12, day 13, and then finally on day 14, you decide, no way, I cannot do this. I need my chips. And then you end up binging on it. And if you go through such cycles as well, then I understand your struggle. Honestly, it is so frustrating to find balance when it comes to eating all these foods. I genuinely didn't like the taste of healthy food. I never really understood the taste of cucumber or the taste of a carrot. I never really ate fiber until college. Even after completing college also, I had never properly had a good amount of salad on my plate. So of course it was very difficult for me and my body to get used to eating so much healthy food and getting all the processed foods out of my system. Here is what I did. Now, I used to eat processed foods almost every day. So instead of going from eating processed food every day to eating processed foods never, which I was doing for a very long time, I made the transition very, very slow. So I started with, I'm having processed foods every day. So maybe I'll have processed foods every second day. And once that became comfortable and easy for me to follow, okay, so maybe I'll eat processed foods twice a week. And then slowly I made the transition to, okay, so maybe I will eat processed food once a week. That's how I did it. Now, this process was very slow. I will give you that. It was very slow and it was very boring. And I felt like, I don't see a lot of difference. But after a couple of months, I didn't even realize that I had lost body fat. I had improved my metabolism. I was feeling more energetic. And more than anything, I had gotten rid of the habit of eating processed food every day, which felt like a struggle. मैं बहुत struggle करती थी, but I just couldn't. I just couldn't stop eating a packet of chips. I just couldn't, and I'm being very raw here. मुझे honestly कभी-कभी ऐसा लगता है यार कि as a doctor, as a nutritionist, I have struggled with these things. और अगर मैं struggle कर सकती हूँ, तो बाकी लोग भी कर सकते हैं. And if I don't talk about this, and if I'm constantly thinking, यार लोग क्या कहेंगे, what are people going to say that she's a doctor and she's a nutritionist and she had such a bad diet? Yes, I had such a bad diet, and this is why I decided to study nutrition, and this is why I'm talking about these things. Because I don't see a lot of people talking about these things, honestly. Things like emotional eating, things like stress eating, things like binging, things like finding balance with food. Yaar, ye kitne important topics hain, but nobody talks about these. Moving on. The reason why I don't recommend completely restricting processed foods is because, one, life में से खुशी चली जाती है यार. Like, pizzas taste so good. I just can't imagine a life without pizza, honestly. That is one. Second, you are living in an environment जहाँ पे food scientists are working so hard to create these hyper palatable foods. You cannot escape this. You are not living in your grandparents or your great grandparents or for that matter your parents time also. आप उस टाइम में नहीं जी रहे हो, आप ऐसे टाइम में जी रहे हो जहाँ पे we are struggling with abundance of everything. I mean, there is so much information, there is so much food, there is just so many, there is so much content, there are so many distractions. So what I'm trying to say is that you're not living in a time where there was no processed food. Zomato nahi tha, Swiggy nahi tha, Blinkit nahi tha. You're not living in that time. You are living in a time जहाँ पे ये foods इतने easily available हैं. And honestly, life has gotten so busy that relying on these foods seems like the best option, honestly. Of course, in the short term. Long term mein, it is definitely not the right option, but yes, in short term we do rely on these foods. And I feel like कोई फायदा ही नहीं है यार कि आप एक डाइट फॉलो कर लो. डाइट फॉलो करने का क्या पॉइंट है? मतलब मुझे अब लगता है कि यार ये जो पूरा डाइटिंग का कॉन्सेप्ट बना हुआ है कि मैं एक डाइट कर रही हूँ, that mindset on its own is so unsustainable. My god, मेरा मुंह सूख रहा है. डाइटिंग का पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट ही अनसस्टेनेबल है कि मैं डाइट कर रही हूँ टू लूज वेट, या मैं डाइट कर रहा हूँ टू लूज वेट, or I am following intermittent fasting. You need to change your mindset, and not a lot of people are talking about this, honestly. And I just want you to understand one thing: stop cutting out foods completely from your diet. यार moderation नाम की भी एक चीज होती है. फॉलो इन 80-20% रूल. ओके, 80-20% रूल मैं अपनी लाइफ के हर एस्पेक्ट में डालती हूँ, ठीक है. व्हेन इट कम्स टू फूड, 80% ऑफ द टाइम माई डाइट इज वेरी सॉलिड. मैं बीच बीच में मंचिंग नहीं करती हूँ. आई डोंट ईट भुजियाज, आई डोंट ईट कुकीज, आई डोंट ईट मैं कुछ भी ऐसा प्रोसेस्ड फूड नहीं खाती हूँ. इवन इन माई इवनिंग स्नैक आई विल ईदर हैव मखानास. इफ आई डोंट हैव दैट, आई विल हैव अ योगर्ट बोल, और आई मेक अ स्मूदी, और आई हैव अ प्रोटीन शेक or something like that. But 80% of the time my diet is very solid. 20% of the time I'll have a glass of wine, I'll order a burger with some fries, I will go out and eat. 80-20 rule, same. Work out 80% of the time, stay on track, go to the gym, do your workouts. If you don't go to the gym, work out at home. 20% of the time, learn to take rest. Rest is important, राइट. 80% ऑफ द टाइम मेहनत करो यार, वर्क हार्ड, पढ़ाई करो, जस्ट डू गुड एट व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, व्हाटएवर जॉब यू हैव, जो भी कर रहे हो. 20% ऑफ द टाइम सिट बैक एंड रिलैक्स, ट्रैवल करो, गो आउट विद योर फ्रेंड्स, शॉपिंग करो, स्प्लर्ज द मनी दैट यू हैव अर्नड. आई मीन ये 80-20% रूल ना, मतलब मेरे को लगता है मैं लाइफ ही इस 80-20% रूल पे जीती हूँ. ऑफ कोर्स sticking to that 80% is not easy. It's easier said than done, क्योंकि बहुत मुश्किल दिन भी आते हैं जब आपके पास आप इमोशनली इतने ड्रेन्ड होते हो और आपको लगता है अब जिंदगी में कहीं से खुशी नहीं मिल रही है, खाने से तो मिल जाएगी, तो आई जस्ट ऑर्डर अ पिज्जा. बट दैट डे यू टेल योरसेल्फ नो. एंड कई बार आपको अपने आप को अलाउ करना पड़ता है कि यार ठीक है, आज मैं खा रही हूँ. बट वही है ना, दैट 80-20% रूल. इफ यू नो दैट यू आर स्टिकिंग टू द डाइट 80% ऑफ द टाइम, 20% ऑफ द टाइम यू विल नॉट फील गिल्टी अबाउट ईटिंग दीज फूड्स. I have finished my water and I'm going to wrap up this video. I hope that this video helped you in some way. I hope that you enjoyed watching today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate your support and I appreciate that you spend your internet currency on my content. I am forever grateful. Please subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you in the next episode of Nutrition Healthy.